If you think packing for an Alaskan cruise means stuffing your suitcase like a stressed out raccoon, I'm about to save you. Welcome or welcome back. I'm Jess of Okaya's Family Travels, and today we're going to talk about packing for a 7-day Alaskan cruise using the 3x3 method. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces. That's it. 9 core clothing items. We are not overpacking. We are not bringing 5 just in case sweaters that will sit there judging us. This method assumes 2 things. 1, you'll use the ship's laundry service midweek. And 2, you're not dressing for formal night. We're going for cozy, elevated, I look effortlessly put together while holding a cup of coffee and staring at glaciers energy. We're also planning for mostly sightseeing excursions. Think scenic walks, whale watching, charming little towns. Not scaling cliffs, riding on a dog sled, or wrestling wildlife. And before we get into it, a quick note. If you're cruising in May or September, it will be cooler. Like, why did I not bring gloves cooler? So we'll account for that too. I'll have a link to an Amazon list of clothes in the description, as well as a link to a video I did about non-clothing essentials you may want to bring. All right, let's build your wardrobe. We're going to start with 3 tops. Top number 1, a soft mossy green long sleeve tee. This is your layering hero. It goes under everything, works with everything, and doesn't scream for attention. Top number 2, a lightweight cable knit sweater. This is what you wear when you want to look like you have your life together, even if you're eating soft serve at 10 a.m. And top number 3, if you've seen any of my videos, you've seen this set before. I now own it in 3 colors and counting because it's lightweight, fast drying, elevated, effortless, and comfortable. This is the top part. Now your 3 bottoms. Bottom number 1, a pair of well-fitting jeans. Yes, you can bring jeans. Alaskan cruises are casual and cozy. A straight leg or relaxed fit works perfectly. I'm a big fan of 501s. Bottom 2, these gray golf pants with deep pockets are something you can wear on excursions, lounging, or when you just need a break from denim. And 3, the bottoms from the Navy set, perfect for dinner, travel days, and wandering around the ship. Now the real stars of an Alaskan cruise, the layering pieces, because Alaska does not care about your outfit plans. Layer 1 is a cozy travel wrap. This is your I'm on deck watching the icebergs float by layer. Easy to throw on, easy to remove, always looks good. Layer 2 is a lightweight fleece or insulated layer, something practical and warm that says, yes, I checked the weather. This is essential, especially in May or September. And 3, this bomber jacket is your style layer. It pulls everything together, adds a little shape, and gives your outfits that I didn't just throw this on 5 minutes ago energy. All right, shoes, the part where most people completely lose control. We're bringing 2.5 pairs. First is a waterproof Chelsea boot. They handle light rain, uneven sidewalks, and they look good. Second is comfortable walking shoes. These loafers are easy to dress up for dinner or down for a casual stroll, and they're neutral, so they go with everything. And third, flip-flops, which I really don't count officially as shoes. These are for the pool, the spa, or just giving your feet a break. Now, let's round this out with your extras, the small things that make a big difference. A swimsuit and cover-up, even if you won't use it, you might. Hot tubs with glacier views are a thing. Pajamas, preferably something cozy because ship cabins are perfect for dramatic lounging. Bras, socks, and undies, cause duh. Fun jewelry. This is how you change your look without adding bulk. A baseball cap, great for casual days, wind, and hiding hair that has chosen violence. And a beanie. Especially important for colder sailings. Also, it just feels right in Alaska. My curly hair likes satin-lined beanies. Gloves, again, if you're traveling in May or September, you will thank yourself. And shades, because there could be sun. Your waterproof raincoat with a hood, non-negotiable. Alaska is beautiful. Alaska is also damp. You want something that keeps you dry without making you look like a walking tent. Now, here's where the magic happens. With 3 tops and 3 bottoms, you already have at least 9 outfit combinations. Add in your 3 layering pieces, and suddenly each outfit can look completely different depending on how you style it. Jeans plus your long sleeve tee plus the fleece, casual and cozy. Same jeans, but swap in the sweater and add the wrap, effortlessly polished with a practical twist. Navy pants set, the wrap, and the loafers, that's dinner ready without even trying. You're repeating pieces, but it doesn't feel repetitive because you're layering, accessorizing, and slightly shifting the vibe. And because you're doing laundry midweek, everything stays fresh. You're not carrying a week's worth of clothing, you're carrying a smart system. This is how you pack lighter, look better, and avoid that moment where you're sitting on your suitcase wondering how things escalated so quickly. A quick reminder: Alaska's weather is unpredictable at best. If you're cruising in peak summer, you'll likely have mild days with cool mornings and evenings. If you're going in May or September, expect it to be noticeably cooler. This is where your fleece, beanie, and gloves really come into play. You may even double layer more often. If you're someone who runs warm, high midlife hormones, or a swarthy Midwesterner used to cooler climates, you can also swap that sweater and long sleeve tee out for a couple of neutral tees. You might find yourself perfectly comfortable layering lighter. The goal is to not pack for every possible scenario. The goal is to pack smart enough that you can adapt. And of course, my tips for using this method are: wear the bulkiest stuff on the plane, pack a stain remover stick and some fabric refresher spray, and hang everything up when you're not wearing it. So there you have it, the 3x3 packing method for a 7-day Alaskan cruise. Simple, strategic, and dare I say stylish? You don't need to have a massive suitcase, you just need 9 pieces that work together, keep you comfortable, and make you feel like yourself. If this helped you rethink your packing strategy or saved you from bringing 1,100 unnecessary sweaters, go ahead and hit that like button. And subscribe for more practical, slightly sarcastic travel tips that actually make your life easier. Thanks for watching.